welcome to my first tutorial. First, you need to create a new project. Then add your clips. Then choose which ratio you prefer. Then add your audio. Then add your beats. Get all your clips on beat. Then crop them to the size of your choice. It should look a little like this so far. The next thing I do is slow my clips down. This is how I do mine. Once all your clips are slowed down how you like, then copy what I'm doing. What I do is add hexagonal spot and change the speed to 6.5. And then make sure it fills my clip. Then I just copy it and make it fill each clip. Then I add zoom lens and do the same thing, making sure it fills each clip. Then to my intro, I add the zoom in animation and the shake zoom animation. Then to my last clip, I add the collision animation for the outro. Then I add horizontal flash to the full video and blurry focus to the intro. Then add your watermark. Then export it with it all to the top for best quality. Then I go onto Motion Ninja and create a new project and then choose which size you prefer. Then add your video and I zoom it out so I don't get the watermark. From this app you can skip this step or just pay. Then I go onto Adjust and put the sharpen and clarity up to 100. Then make sure it fills the full video. Then export it using these settings. Once it's saved, then make sure you save it. Then press Quality Enhancer and add that video. Then go onto Me2 and press Video Editing. Then I improve the image quality and zoom the edit in to get rid of the watermark from the previous app. Then go onto toning and then adjust these settings however you like. Then export it with everything to the top. Then you should be left with an edit looking like this.
Are you ready for it?